this. Just some nice gems.
You are ruthless. Yeah, you don't give a damn about what I do. You think you're the coolest. Who would ever wanna be like you?
Ooh, look at this. Just some nice gems. So we have some LED fog lights coming in today, and man, they look great. Solid aluminum construction, that feels like. We have some adjusters in the back, followed by a nice glass element. Ooh. Now let's compare that to the OEM, which is kind of old looking. So upgrading everything. Now I do have LEDs into this little bad boy right here, but it's just an LED bulb with no housing. So if you want to get like extra good, cutoff lines, you definitely want an LED bulb that actually has projectors, so you can get that sweet cutoff line. It's gonna look so good. Now this is gonna be from AG Polestars, and you can get this from SMY Performance if you guys were interested. So let's get to it. Car and jack stands right now. Of course, I have a bunch of wiring. This is because of the fog lights, the light bar, the headlights, and all that. So all those colorful wirings, but we really just have to focus on removing the fog light. Now it's pretty easy. You can see there's just two Phillips heads on the left. The whole thing will pop out. Should be a pretty easy task, and for the most part it'll be plug and play for at least the fog light part. But of course, if you were looking earlier, there's also an LED kind of running light. So let's go plug that and wire that into. All right guys, so I just took out the OEM lights. Now there's a big difference. This, look at this, cheap plastic. This, solid. Now the quality, obviously this is like nothing. There's no optics or anything, so this is definitely gonna be a huge upgrade. Woo, I'm excited. All right, so the OEM projector, these are upgraded with LEDs, and then we have the new one on the driver's side. Hopefully it works. Does it work?
Yep.
Awesome. Saves me a lot of time. Now, you can definitely tell, at least from eyes, the OEM one, the OEM projector, it is scattering. It's very bright because it has a very high wattage bulb, but it is spraying light everywhere. So even up right here, it's like just blinding. When you notice that the LED, it's keeping everything contained. It's gonna have a nice sharp cutoff line, hopefully. I mean, it's kind of too dark to tell, or too bright to tell, but let me show you. And of course, because it's a high wattage LED fog light bulb that I have from Oxfam, it's actually a really good bulb. There's a fan. This one, completely silent. Woo! So that's how it looks from the back. No fan noises or anything. Looks pretty clean. Let's wire the other side too before we work on the LED kind of top part, because it is dual phase. All right guys, I have it wired up. So the lights right here, they turn on when the headlights turn on. So when the headlights turned on, these bad boys turn on. I was thinking about having it run on a DRL, so if my car's on, it runs. But I think with this kind of setup right here, it works well, and it looks good. So this is how it looks like when it's fired on the bottom. And because I have it wired to a relay, when I turn on the fog light, that portion turns off, making it really nice. Guys, it's in, and I have to say, it looks absolutely brilliant. Now, the amount of details in this thing is absolutely insane. The way the reflections happen, it's like a dark gunmetal color, similar. So when you look at something like this, it looks very similar to these wheels, where it's not chrome, it's like more of a dark chrome. And it could be the lighting. I gotta say, ooh, it has a nice, like, high quality finish to it. This side too. Just get a good zoom. Wow. It's amazing. So I'm gonna show you how it looks like from far away. Woo!